Love creamy pasta but hate the calories? Today, I'm showing you how to make a light, guilt-free penne Alfredo that tastes just as amazing. I used turkey breast for this recipe, but feel free to swap it with chicken breast if you prefer. Slice it however you like, just make sure it's thin enough to cook quickly and stay tender. Traditionally, it's cut into thin strips, but you can do it your way. Now it's time to give the meat some serious flavor. We marinate it with yogurt, turmeric, black pepper, salt, and a spoonful of garlic puree, then let it rest so all those flavors really sink in. Next up, the mushrooms. Slice them thin with a sharp knife so they cook evenly and release all that delicious flavor into the dish. This time, I thought I'd do it the old school way, peeling and chopping fresh garlic myself, just to keep things more natural and extra fragrant. Now it's sauté time. You can use either plant-based butter or olive oil, whichever you prefer or have on hand. Just add a bit to the pan and get ready for that amazing aroma. We're keeping it simple, everything goes into one pan. It's easier, faster, and hey, fewer dishes to wash later. Let's make the sauce. Start by melting some plant-based butter, then add the garlic puree. Stir in a spoonful of flour and mix it well. Now slowly pour in the milk while stirring constantly, and just like that, you've got a smooth aromatic sauce. Now add the marinated meat and sliced mushrooms to the sauce. Give everything a good mix and let it simmer until the sauce thickens and all the flavors come together beautifully. Time for the penne. Boil it in hot water for about 10 minutes, just until it's tender but still has a bit of a bite. We don't want it mushy. Once the pasta is cooked, drain it and add it straight into our creamy sauce. Give it a good mix and let it cook for another 5 minutes on low heat so the sauce sticks to the penne perfectly. And that's it, ready to serve. Finally, top it off with some low-fat Parmesan cheese for that perfect finishing touch. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more delicious, healthy meals. Until next time, take care and happy cooking. Eat healthy, live happy.